Welcome to Auto Nation Garage, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Ford Focus RS, a car that blends performance, technology, and style. As we explore this hot hatch, we'll touch on its specifications, features, and what makes it stand out from the crowd. The 2025 Ford Focus RS has taken everything fans love about its predecessors and elevated it to a whole new level. Under the hood, the Focus RS is powered by a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine that produces an impressive 350 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent to all four wheels via a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, giving the car exceptional grip and handling. The performance figures are quite impressive, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just under 5 seconds, making it a serious contender in the hot hatch segment. Ford has also worked on the suspension to make sure the Focus RS offers a smooth yet responsive driving experience. The car is equipped with adaptive dampers that adjust based on road conditions and driving style, ensuring that you can tackle both tight corners and long straights with ease. To complement the power, the braking system has been upgraded, with larger discs and high-performance calipers to provide exceptional stopping power. Inside, the 2025 Focus RS delivers a sporty yet comfortable cabin. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather and suede, providing both comfort and support during spirited driving. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system, with Ford's latest Sync 4 interface, which supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This system is paired with a premium sound system, ensuring that you can enjoy music while navigating through the car's impressive array of performance metrics. For safety, the Focus RS comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and more, providing peace of mind no matter where the road takes you. The car also features a rear-view camera, parking sensors, and blind spot monitoring, making it easy to navigate tight spaces. The exterior design of the 2025 Ford Focus RS is aggressive and dynamic, with flared wheel arches, a bold front grille, and wide stance that give it a commanding presence on the road. The car sits on 19-inch wheels wrapped in performance tires, further emphasizing its sporty nature. Available in a range of striking colors, the Focus RS looks as fast as it drives. Overall, the 2025 Ford Focus RS is a performance-focused hatchback that combines incredible speed, handling, and technology into one exciting package. Whether you're looking for a car that's thrilling to drive on the track or practical enough for daily use, the Focus RS delivers on both fronts. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Auto Nation Garage for more in-depth car reviews, automotive news, and much more. Stay tuned for our next review and thank you for watching.